Here we have a 2014 Ford F-150, 40,000 mile, clean under one Carfax, and got silver color. More of your basic truck here, but in excellent condition. You can see halogen headlamps with integrated halogen fog lights and the chrome lower bumper fascia. Got two black tow hooks there. Got your 2-bar chrome grille with your Ford oval. Continue around to the side. It's got standard 5-spoke alloy wheels. As you can see, they're clean, no scuffs or scrapes. Also Michelin tires here, which I believe are the best tires. They have probably about 3/4 tread, maybe about 8, 9, 30 seconds on those tires. You can see the frame rail, no rust at all, nothing but factory black paint, very good condition. Also, there's a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. So we look in now through the passenger side front seat area. You can see manual adjustment on that seat. We got earth gray, light gray cloth covering on a 40/20 40 fold down center console split bench seat. Also, as you can see, you have a two-tone dash there, light and dark gray, dark charcoal carpeting on your interior. You also have that two-tone that runs through your door panel there as well. Now this is the crew cab model, so you'll be able to see it's very spacious in the back. Ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your rear occupants. Very, very comfy ride back here in the back with this big cab. You can also see it's in very good condition. Now this is your standard box, 145-inch wheelbase. We got a 5.5-foot bed here. Also, you can see matching Michelin tires here, about the same 3/4 tread. Also scuff-free on the rear wheel there as well. Continuing around, you can see this is, I believe, the 5.0 V8 flex fuel. Also want to show you, it does have the Ford soft tonneau cover there. Let's go ahead and lower the tailgate. You can see a drop-in liner to protect your bed in the back as well. So it's been well maintained here. Also, you have your Class 3 tow hitch with integrated factory wiring in there also. Let's continue around to the driver's side again, just to show you the tires are matching. Wheel looks good here also. Also want to give you a shot of the frame there again on this side. As you can see, no oxidation whatsoever. Very, very clean truck. So we look in through the driver's side just to show you a different angle. You can see the interior very, very clean. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. And we'll give you a look here at driver's side front. Again, manual adjustment on the driver's seat here as well. Also want to show you the key. As you can see, it is the single integrated with the keyless. We do have 2 of those as well. It's denoted by the tag. Now, let's continue the tour here. I'll just show you where some of your basic controls are. We got your power windows, your power locks, and your power mirror switches all located right on the door. Let's climb in and give you a look at what it's like to be behind the wheel here. You can see 40,486 miles. As we continue the tour, you got your automatic headlamps, push button for your fogs right there. Got your high beams and turn signals and your wipers there on the left stem. Got your cruise control to the lower left of the steering wheel. We got your audio controls and voice activation on the right. Got a column shift here with the tow haul button on the end. We got your standard radio display, single CD, AM, FM, satellite radio. We also have your climate controls below that. Got your 12-volt power supply, your audio pre-in, your USB right there. So there's all your connectivity. Got another 12-volt supply over there. Got 2 large cup holders. Got a little tray area here to keep some of your belongings. We got your LED map lights. Yeah, so no roof or nav on this model. Let's go ahead and pop the hood here and show you what's underneath. Like I say, I believe this is the 5.0 liter V8 302. Just take a quick peek. There you see, that is what we got. Also, you can see it's very, very clean. No corrosion on any of your electrical terminals. Quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. A couple yellow caps, dipstick handles to kind of denote where to check or change any important fluids. Let's go ahead and shut the truck off. We'll get into the next portion of the video. The next portion I really think differentiates us from a lot of dealerships, not only completely upfront in the mechanical and pricing of our vehicles, but also cosmetic condition. My job here is just to go around the truck, be your eyes and ears, show you any minor imperfections it may have. First go round, it seems to be in very excellent shape. A couple little stone chips here on the fender, as you can see. Try to buy the cars as nice as possible. Really give you a new car alternative here. I don't notice any dents or dings on either the fender or these doors. We do have a couple little chips right there on that rear door. Little chip down here in the bottom of the same door there. Work our way down the bedside. No dings or bumps there. Tailgates, place that usually catch a lot of damage on a truck. Nice and straight and clean there. Also, no dings or dents on that lower chrome bumper. So really a clean truck here. Bedside looks really good as well. No dings or scrapes on it that I can notice. Working our way up the passenger side doors here. They look good also. Fender looks fine. A couple little stone chips here across the front bumper fascia. I mean, pretty unavoidable. One there. Probably have a few on the top of this hood though. I haven't noticed any significant ones yet. So there you have it, guys. Very excellent, very clean truck. Still has the remainder of the powertrain warranty left on it from Ford, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, there's a few different ways of getting a hold of us. You can look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.